Information about Acer mandshuricum. Acer mandshuricum, also known as the Manchurian maple, is a deciduous tree species in the family Sapindaceae. It is native to Northeast Asia, including China, Korea, and parts of Russia. The Manchurian maple is a small to medium-sized tree that typically grows to a height of 20 to 30 feet, 6 to 9 meters, with a rounded, spreading crown. The leaves are palmate and have 5 lobes, with a bright green color in the spring and summer, turning yellow, orange, and red in the fall. The tree blooms in the spring, with clusters of small, yellow-green flowers. Acer mandshuricum is a hardy tree that can tolerate a range of growing conditions, including full sun to partial shade, and a variety of soil types, including clay, loam, and sand. It is also resistant to pests and diseases. The tree is commonly used as an ornamental plant in gardens and landscaping, due to its attractive foliage and fall color. Its wood is also used for making furniture, flooring, and other wood products. In traditional Chinese medicine, the bark of Acer mandshuricum is used for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. The tree's leaves and seeds are also used for various medicinal purposes. Overall, Acer mandshuricum is a beautiful and versatile tree species that is valued for its ornamental, commercial, and medicinal uses.